Okay, I did not expect this to happen. I thought the Temu free gift thing was just going to be one small reward, tiny coupon, nothing crazy. But after activating the code on screen the right way, the app suddenly started stacking rewards way faster than I expected. And that's how I ended up unlocking access to the 8 free gifts setup. Now first, let's clear something up. Most people never even see the bigger reward offers. Why? Because they start shopping normally before activating the right code. That's the mistake. That's exactly what I did at first. Opened Temu, browsed random products, used random working codes from old videos, and honestly, the offers were weak. No stacked rewards, barely any free gift progress, nothing exciting. Then I tried the code on screen before browsing anything, and instantly the app changed. Suddenly I started getting bigger coupon bundles, bonus reward offers, extra discounts, and the free gift section started showing higher reward options than before. That's when I realized the code itself matters way more than people think. Not every code triggers the same offers. Some barely do anything. But this one was the first code that actually made the app feel upgraded. And here's the method that worked best for me. First, enter through the promotion. Second, activate the code on screen immediately. Then, start browsing and interacting with the reward offers. That order matters a lot, because the second the code activated, the app started stacking coupon deals, bonus rewards, and free gift progress together. And honestly, that's when the higher gift counts finally started appearing. Not instantly, but way faster than when I used random codes before. I even tested another code afterward just to compare. And immediately the offers dropped. Smaller discounts, fewer rewards, almost no stacked bonus offers. That's why I stopped wasting time with random viral codes online. The code on screen was the first one that consistently unlocked stronger offers and bigger reward setups for me. Now let's keep this real. Does everyone instantly get 8 gifts? No. Can progress still vary? Definitely. But if you're trying to unlock the bigger free gift rewards, activating the right code first gives you a way better chance than shopping normally. Try the code on screen before browsing and tell me, did the higher reward offers and stacked coupons finally start appearing for you too?